House plants for your indoor garden. This is bird nest plant. If you got a bird nest plant, keep it as a house plant in a corner in your indoor garden. This is so beautiful. Leaves are so amazing and so green. One of the low maintenance permanent plant. Friends, when you select house plants for your indoor garden, select some variegated leafy plants. Select some plants that are vastu plants, and also forget to select some plants that are decorative and colorful. So this will help to balance the garden. Indoor garden should be a place where you will see some of the greens, some of the colorful plants, and also decorative plants, and also add some house plants which are lucky, and also some vastu plants. This is a small tip for you. So friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be sharing with you about the house plants that are ideal for your indoor garden. So if you are a new friend, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. Pandanus plant, another variegated beautiful leafy plant for your indoor garden. A low maintenance plant, a permanent plant. Once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in the medium bright indirect sunlight area. This plant also you can have as a beginner gardener. One of the beautiful colorful plant for your house plant collection, and also this is one of the best plants for your indoor garden. Varieties of Dracaena also are very colorful for your indoor garden. When selecting plants, select some plants that are attractive and elegant looking. Varieties of Aralia also very attractive, and also they are low maintenance and permanent. These Aralia plants you can grow from stems. Syngonium plants, when you put them in bigger pots, they will grow very huge and beautiful. Even without fertilizer, you can grow these plants, ideal house plants, and also one of the plants that you must have in your indoor garden. This variety of philodendron is very green looking. If you are a person who loves green plants, add them in your indoor garden. This Chinese evergreen also the same, very easy maintenance, and can get them easily from a nursery, and maintenance also very easy. And these plants are permanent and you can multiply by dividing. Croton plants are very attractive too. Once you have them in your house plants collection, they are ideal indoor plants, low maintenance and permanent. Another one of the best easy growing house plant is the aloe vera plant. You can grow them in small planter to bigger planter depending on whatever the DIY planter you have. So these plants are ideal house plants and also one of the best plants for your indoor garden. These plants are low maintenance, belongs to the family of succulents, so you don't have to water them on regular basis, and one of the permanent plants. So keep this plant indoors. This is a vastu plant also, and also you can have many benefits like a natural hormone, rooting hormone, and also this is one of the best plant for your skin care and hair care. So this is one of the must-have plants in your indoor garden. Another plant for your indoor garden plants collection is the ZZ plant. ZZ plant multiply with a leaf, and also you can grow them from stems, and also this plant you can divide and multiply from bulbs. So this is a wonderful plant for your indoor plants collection. This is a Feng Shui lucky plant and also easy growing plant. No need to regular water. Check the soil and water, and there are many videos which I have uploaded in my channel for your information, so you can watch them with your time. Another beautiful house plant for your indoor garden is the snake plant. Snake plant, friends, is very easy to grow. This is an easy growing plant. You don't need any fertilizer. Also, this is an air purifier too. This plant also you can grow from leaf cuttings, and also you can divide and multiply. There are many varieties of this plant, and Sansevieria is one of them. So this is a small plant of Sansevieria. So friends, likewise you can keep this plant also as an indoor plant in your indoor garden. This is a best house plant. Adding a couple of good luck plants to attract wealth and abundance as house plants for your indoor garden also very essential. Talking about house plants for your indoor garden, select some stems of this lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo plant is a Feng Shui plant. This belongs to the family of Dracaena and also very easy growing plant. Without fertilizer also you can grow. You can propagate them in water too. You can do many decorative items with lucky bamboo plants. So this is a must-have plant in your indoor garden. Plant is one of my favorites. I have done many videos of this spider plant. So spider plant is very easy growing plant, beginner gardener's plant, and also one of the permanent plants. You can grow them and multiply them with spiderets, and also one of the best indoor plant as a house plant, and also you can keep this outdoors in your outdoor garden. So have this in your indoor plants collection as an indoor plant and one of the must-have plants in your indoor garden. Money plants are beautiful house plants. Their variegation is so attractive. You can have many varieties also, and how to grow them, how to care for them, there are many videos in my channel. And this is one plant that you can grow with a single stem, and with or without fertilizer also you can grow them. This is one of the must-have plants as a beginner also, so you can grow them very easily by stem cuttings. This plant have in your indoor garden as a house plant. Swiss cheese monstera, another beautiful house plant for your indoor garden. Very easy to grow, low maintenance, and beautiful leaves. Look at the leaves of this plant. It's called the Swiss cheese monstera, one of the easy growing plants. Fits into any size planter. If you provide a bigger pot, they will grow huge and amazing. If you are a person who loves colorful leafy plants, variegated leafy plants, philodendron plants are for you. There are many varieties and they are very colorful. This golden philodendron looks so amazing, and also their leaves are very colorful and attractive. This is one of the house plants and a must-have plant in your home garden as a beautiful house plant. Not only that, this is one of the plants that you must have in your indoor garden. Very easy growing, low maintenance, and permanent. Having a couple of palm plants in your garden as a house plant is very important, because they are air purifier plants and also low maintenance plants. They are also a beginner gardener's plant, because these plants, once you provide an ample pot, they will grow. Even you don't have to do a repotting. So this plant is very low maintenance and permanent, and also an air purifier, works as an air purifier. So have this plant also in your house plants collection as an indoor plants, one of the best plants for your indoor garden. Beautiful sansevieria. Sansevieria plants are also one of the house plants that you must have in your indoor garden. They are very easy to grow, low maintenance, and permanent. These plants are ideal for a busy person. So friends, this is another house plant which you must have in your indoor garden. This works as an air purifier too. If you are a person who loves the variegated leafy plants, this gold dust plant is for you. This plant also low maintenance, permanent, and also the variegation is very attractive. This is another house plant which you can grow in the shade, and also you can keep it in your indoor garden. Variegated leafy plants loving people can buy this umbrella plant, add them to your indoor garden. Umbrella plant is another house plant which you can keep in your indoor garden, and also this is another variegated leafy plant which needs the shady sunlight or the partial to medium sunlight, another beginner gardener's plant. And also once you bring this from a nursery, keep it in the shade or in your indoor garden, because they are decorative plants. Adding so much of green to your indoor garden like Christina. If you are a person who likes the green plants in your indoor plants collection, this Christina plant for you. This is one of the plants you can keep in your indoor garden as an indoor plant. They also love the semi-shade or the partial to medium sunlight, and one of the attractive plants for your indoor garden. Adding one or two big leafy plants like rubber plants. This is a rubber plant. Rubber plant, another plant which has many benefits of keeping air purifier, permanent, low maintenance, and one of the beginner gardener's plant. This also low maintenance and permanent. Not only that, this plant also you can grow in your house plants collection as a house plant. Keep it in your indoor garden. I hope that the plants that I showed in the video about indoor garden plants are very useful for you. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big like and also share it with your friends. And if you are new, consider subscribing to Tamara's Garden and stay tuned for more gardening videos. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with another garden video.